Hi friends, welcome to Techie Study and Microsoft Fabric series. In this session, we are going to discuss about how to get free Microsoft Fabric account creation step-by-step guide. Okay, Microsoft Fabric is provided free of charge when you sign up for Fabric Trail. Your use of Microsoft Fabric Trail includes access to the Fabric product experiences and the resources to create and host Fabric items. The Fabric Trail lasts for 60 days, but can be extended by Microsoft at our discretion. With a Fabric Trail, you can get the following: full access to the Fabric experiences and features. One lakh storage, we can get up to 1 TB. Okay. So how to sign up this Fabric account? We can't sign in with personal account. It will say that you can't sign in here with the personal account. Use your work or school account instead of personal email. So to use those organization ID, we need to follow below these steps. How to sign up Microsoft 365 developer account? So we need to we need to log into the Microsoft 365 developer program. Once we log into there, we can get the organization email ID from there. Okay, you will need to Microsoft account example @outlook.com to create one visit. So this is the URL we can visit and we can create a Microsoft account outlook.com if we don't have. Upon creation of this personal account, we need to proceed with Microsoft 365 developer account. Then we need to log in with that organization account to fabric microsoft.com. Okay. Here, so once we go to the Microsoft signup.live.com, we can create a new email account by using here. Once that is done, then we need to click join here. Once you join, you need to join with that program account. So it will give the steps, and once we done, so the drawback here is nowadays I don't know, we are not sure why it's showing this message. Thank you for joining. You don't current qualify for a Microsoft 365 developer program sandbox subscription. We are not able to get the sandbox subscription if we join to Microsoft 365 developer account program also. We are not sure why it is coming, but I raised the ticket. Community. Here community. In Microsoft community, I have asked them question. Once I logged into Microsoft 365 developer program, it's not showing the sandbox details. Got the below message. Can you please check and update? So this is the message we are getting. So once we get any update from Microsoft, I will update in comment section. If you are facing same issue, please let me know. And if you have any solution also, please let me know in this comment box. It will be helpful. Okay. So for meanwhile, so meanwhile I got my friend account. Okay. So for that, if we get the once we log into the fabric.com email, this is the home page. Okay. Here we need to give the organizational account. Okay. So once we give the organizational account, let me copy this URL. I will show you the steps what we need to do. So once we log into the Microsoft Fabric URL, it will show, as I said, 1 TB up to free, and you need to go for us. You need to start a trail account. Okay, under here, under profile, here you can see I have already started the free trail. Here it will show free trail. You need to click that. Once that is done, then it will start as a start trail. Got it? Then it will give the confirmation message. Once the trail is enabled, then we need to update the fabric. If we want to cancel, we can cancel the trail here. Okay. Once that is done, we are done. Okay. Next thing here, and in admin portal, we need to enable the tenant. In under capacity settings, we need to add the tenant settings here. Okay. We need to enable those. I have enabled those, and currently it's not showing here. This is the way we need to This is the one. This is the right. I showing workspace settings, trail and apply. These are the settings we need to do. I already did that. So once this is done, we can create whatever we required in under workspaces, whatever we can use. Okay. This is the way we need to get trail version. So as I said, if you have any solution, please comment it in the comment section. I will also learn the process. So meanwhile, I got the account, free trail account. I will start videos one by one. This is about today's session. Thank you. If you are watching first time, please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.